Ever thought about the challenges the military faces with petrol vehicles? We're talking about a whole host of problems here. For one, the cost of petrol is a major issue. It's not just about the price at the pump, but also the financial strain of transporting this fuel to remote military outposts. Then there's the environmental impact. Petrol engines release a significant amount of greenhouse gases, contributing to climate change. This is a concern that even the military can't ignore in the 21st century. And let's not forget the risks tied to the petrol supply chain. It's a vulnerable system, susceptible to disruptions from natural disasters, geopolitical tensions, and more. These vulnerabilities could potentially leave our troops stranded without the fuel they need, and that, my friends, is a problem. But what if there was a more efficient, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly alternative? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive into the world of compressed natural gas. Enter compressed natural gas, or CNG, a viable alternative to petrol. This readily available fuel source is not just cost-effective, but also a greener alternative. CNG has a couple of significant advantages over traditional petrol. First, it's a less expensive fuel source. The cost per gallon equivalent of CNG can be up to 50% less than petrol, making it an attractive option for those looking to cut costs. But it's not just about the money. Switching to CNG also means lower emissions. Compressed natural gas emits up to 45% less harmful pollutants than petrol. That's a big step towards a cleaner, healthier environment. And let's not forget about availability. Unlike petrol, which is often imported, CNG is domestically sourced in many countries. This not only boosts the local economy, but also reduces dependency on foreign oil. So how does one go about converting a petrol engine to run on CNG? Stay tuned to find out. The answer lies in a CNG conversion kit. These kits are designed to modify your petrol engine to run on compressed natural gas. Each kit contains a few crucial components. First, there's the CNG cylinder, a high-pressure tank that stores the gas. Then we have the pressure regulator, which ensures the gas enters the engine at the correct pressure. Additionally, there's the gas injector, which delivers the gas into the engine. There are also some kits that include electronic control units. These smart devices adjust the amount of gas delivered based on the engine's requirements, ensuring optimum performance and efficiency. One of the great things about these kits is their availability. They're widely accessible, with many online and physical stores offering them. Plus, they're relatively inexpensive, making the conversion to CNG a cost-effective choice for many. Now that we have our kit, let's dive into the conversion process. Converting a petrol engine to run on CNG may seem daunting, but it's a straightforward process. Let's break it down into simple, easy-to-understand steps. First off, you need to prepare the engine. This involves draining out all the petrol and cleaning the system thoroughly to ensure there's no residual petrol left. This step is crucial because mixing petrol and CNG can be hazardous. Next, you'll need to install the CNG cylinder. This is a specially designed storage tank that will hold the compressed natural gas. It's typically placed in the trunk or undercarriage of the vehicle, depending on the model. The cylinder should be securely mounted to prevent any movement during travel. Once the cylinder is in place, the next step is to install the CNG conversion kit. This kit includes a regulator which controls the flow of gas from the cylinder to the engine, and a mixer which ensures the gas is properly mixed with air before it enters the engine. This kit is designed to work seamlessly with your engine, ensuring optimal performance and efficiency. Now let's move to the engine compartment. Here you'll need to connect the regulator to the engine. This is done using a series of pipes and hoses, which are all part of the conversion kit. It's vital to make sure all connections are secure and leak-free. Once that's done, the final step is to test the system. This involves running the engine on CNG and checking for any leaks or performance issues. If all goes well, your engine is now ready to run on compressed natural gas. Remember, while this process can be done by a skilled mechanic, it's always best to have a professional do it. They have the right tools and experience to ensure the job is done safely and correctly. And there you have it, a petrol engine converted to run on compressed natural gas. So let's recap. We've gotten a good look at the problems with petrol and why compressed natural gas is a game changer. We've explored the conversion kit that makes the transition possible. We've walked through the conversion process step by step. The benefits? A greener, more efficient fuel source that's resilient in the face of fluctuating petrol prices and supply issues. By converting to compressed natural gas, we can address the challenges of petrol use in the military, leading to a greener, more efficient and more resilient force.